Insanely cool camping gadgets on Amazon. Camping is one of the best ways to reconnect with nature, take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, and experience the outdoors in its purest form. Whether you're hiking through mountains, relaxing by a serene lake, or sleeping under a canopy of stars, the right camping gear can make all the difference. Gone are the days when camping meant sacrificing comfort for adventure. With the latest camping gadgets available on Amazon, you can enjoy the great outdoors without compromising on convenience or comfort. From innovative survival tools to ultra-portable sleeping arrangements, these gadgets are designed to enhance every aspect of your camping experience. Eaton Sidekick. The Eaton Sidekick is an incredibly handy, multifunctional device that's a must-have for anyone who loves to explore the wilderness. This small portable gadget is a combination of a power bank, flashlight, and emergency radio all rolled into one. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and it's perfect for those moments when you need a quick boost of power for your phone or other small devices. Equipped with a built-in hand crank, it's designed to charge itself even when there's no access to electricity. Whether you're stranded in the middle of nowhere or just enjoying a remote camping trip, the Eton Sidekick ensures that you always have a source of power and light at your disposal. In addition to the power bank and flashlight, the Eton Sidekick features an AM/FM radio and weather band, which makes it a lifesaver during emergencies. You can tune into important weather updates, news, or emergency broadcasts to stay informed, no matter where you are. Its rugged build ensures that it can withstand the elements, making it ideal for use in harsh outdoor conditions. Uncharted Supply Co. Rapid Raft. The Uncharted Supply Co. Rapid Raft is a cutting-edge emergency raft that can save lives when things go wrong on your outdoor adventure. This inflatable raft is designed for easy storage, taking up minimal space in your backpack or emergency kit until it's needed. It's perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities, including kayaking, fishing, or just exploring waterways. What sets the Rapid Raft apart is its lightweight construction, which allows you to pack it with you without adding too much weight to your gear when you need it. This raft can be inflated in a matter of minutes, providing a reliable flotation device that will help you stay safe in challenging situations. What makes the Uncharted Supply Co. Rapid Raft stand out is not only its practicality, but also its high-quality materials. Built to withstand rough conditions, this raft is designed to endure even the harshest elements. It's made with durable, tear-resistant fabric that ensures it can handle everything from rocky riverbeds to rough water. The raft's compact design means it's easy to pack and carry, making it an essential piece of gear for anyone who spends time outdoors near bodies of water. Fozzils Snapfold Bowlz. The Fozzils Snapfold Bowlz are perfect for campers looking for ultra-portable, space-saving eating utensils. These innovative bowls are made from a flexible, durable material that allows them to fold flat when not in use, making them incredibly easy to pack and store. Unlike traditional camping bowls, Fozzils Snapfold bowls don't take up valuable space in your backpack or gear bag. Simply unfold them when you're ready to eat, and you have a sturdy, reliable bowl to hold your meals, whether you're enjoying a hot soup or a cold salad. Their foldable design is a game changer for campers who need to minimize bulk, but still want durable and functional dining tools. These bowls are also dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning them a breeze, and they're resistant to stains and odors, ensuring they'll last for many camping trips to come. The material used is BPA-free, making them a safe option for anyone concerned about chemicals leaching into their food. Osprey Atmos Egg 65 Men's Backpacking Backpack. The Osprey Atmos Egg 65 Men's Backpacking Backpack is a top-of-the-line backpack designed to help you carry everything you need for an extended camping or hiking trip. What makes this backpack stand out is its innovative anti-gravity suspension system, which evenly distributes the weight of your gear across your back, making it feel lighter and more comfortable to carry. Whether you're hauling heavy loads on a long trek or just need a reliable backpack for your camping essentials, the Osprey Atmos Egg 65 delivers outstanding performance. The adjustable harness and hip belt make it easy to tailor the fit to your body, ensuring maximum comfort even on the most challenging hikes. The Osprey Atmos Egg 65 also boasts an impressive amount of storage space and organization features. With its multiple compartments and easy access pockets, you can quickly find what you need without having to dig through the entire pack. Magware Magnetic Camping Utensils Set. The Magware Magnetic Camping Utensils Set is the perfect solution for campers who need a compact, efficient, and functional set of utensils without the extra bulk. This set includes all the essential tools you need for cooking and eating in the outdoors, such as a fork, spoon, knife, and even a spatula. What sets this utensil set apart is its magnetic design, which allows the pieces to easily snap together for compact storage. When you're done eating, simply detach the pieces, and they store neatly in your pack or cooking kit. The magnetic design keeps everything organized, so you won't waste time searching for individual utensils. Made from durable stainless steel, the Magware utensils are built to last, providing you with reliable tools for years of camping adventures. The magnetic feature not only makes storage easy, but also ensures that you won't lose any pieces. The compact size of the set is perfect for campers, backpackers, and hikers who need lightweight, space-saving gear without compromising on quality. Crua Xtent Maxx. The Crua Xtent Maxx is an incredible high-performance tent designed for those who want both comfort and durability while camping in the great outdoors. This tent is unique because it combines a two-room design with top-tier insulation, providing a perfect balance of warmth, privacy, and space. The inner room is spacious enough for you to store your gear and sleep comfortably, while the outer room offers extra space for cooking or relaxing. The insulated walls of the Crua Xtent Maxx help regulate the temperature inside the tent, ensuring that you stay warm in cold weather and cool in the summer. Whether you're camping in the mountains or by a lake, this tent will help you stay comfortable, no matter the conditions. The Crua Xtent Maxx is built with durability in mind. Made from high-quality materials, it can withstand heavy rain, wind, and even snow. EF Ecoflow Wave Portable Air Conditioner. The EF Ecoflow Wave Portable Air Conditioner is an innovative gadget that's perfect for campers who want to beat the heat during the summer months. This compact air conditioner can cool down your tent or camper in a matter of minutes, ensuring that you can enjoy a good night's sleep even when temperatures soar. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the EF Ecoflow Wave is fully portable, so you don't have to worry about plugging it into an external power source. Its sleek, quiet operation means it won't disturb your peace while you relax, and it's efficient enough to keep your living space cool for hours. Whether you're camping in a hot desert or just want to stay comfortable during the summer, the EF Ecoflow Wave is a game changer. What makes the EF Ecoflow Wave stand out is its eco-friendly design. The unit uses advanced cooling technology that minimizes energy consumption while delivering powerful cooling performance. Nitecore EMR30 Portable Mosquito Repeller. The Nitecore EMR30 Portable Mosquito Repeller is a must-have gadget for any camper who wants to protect themselves from pesky insects. This small portable device emits ultrasonic waves that repel mosquitoes and other biting insects, ensuring that you can enjoy a peaceful night outdoors without the constant annoyance of bugs. Unlike traditional mosquito repellents that require sprays or lotions, the Nitecore EMR30 provides a chemical-free solution to your bug problems. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and it's perfect for camping, hiking, or even backyard barbecues. What sets the Nitecore EM3 apart from other mosquito repellers is its long battery life and adjustable settings. You can use it for extended periods without worrying about running out of power, and the adjustable intensity allows you to customize the level of protection based on your surroundings. Platypus Quickdraw Microfilter System. The Platypus Quickdraw Microfilter System is an incredibly efficient and easy-to-use water filtration system that's perfect for campers who need access to clean drinking water while on the go. This compact filter is designed to quickly and easily remove harmful bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants from natural water sources, ensuring that you can drink safely, no matter where you are. The Quickdraw system is simple to use. Just fill the included bag with water, attach the filter, and squeeze to filter out the impurities. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for fast filtration, making it an essential tool for any outdoor adventurer. What makes the Platypus Quickdraw microfilter system stand out is its efficiency and reliability. Unlike traditional water filters that can be bulky and slow, the Quickdraw system allows you to drink clean water almost instantly. Teton Sports Celsius XXL. The Teton Sports Celsius XXL is a spacious and comfortable sleeping bag that's perfect for campers who want to sleep in comfort during their outdoor adventures. Designed for those who need extra room, the Celsius XXL is wider and longer than traditional sleeping bags, providing plenty of space to stretch out while you sleep. The bag is made from high-quality, insulated materials that keep you warm in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that you stay cozy no matter the weather. Whether you're camping in the spring, summer, or fall, the Celsius XXL is versatile enough to keep you warm throughout the night. One of the standout features of the Teton Sports Celsius XXL is its comfort-oriented design. The bag includes a full-length zipper, allowing you to easily open it up when you need extra ventilation or want to use it as a blanket. Nemo Dragonfly Ultralight Backpacking Tent. The Nemo Dragonfly Ultralight Backpacking Tent is a fantastic choice for campers who value both performance and portability. This tent is designed for minimalist adventurers who want to carry as little weight as possible, while still having a durable, weather-resistant shelter to sleep in. Weighing just a few pounds, the Dragonfly is one of the lightest two-person tents on the market, making it perfect for backpackers who need to keep their load as light as possible. Despite its light weight, the tent is constructed with high-quality materials that ensure it will stand up to wind, rain, and other outdoor conditions. What makes the Nemo Dragonfly Ultralight Backpacking Tent stand out is its exceptional design and attention to detail. It features an easy-to-set-up structure with color-coded poles that allow you to pitch it quickly and efficiently. The tent is spacious enough to comfortably fit 2 people, and it offers excellent ventilation to reduce condensation inside.